The first question is pretty straightforward. The difference between the two numbers is 42. So we want to find two numbers when you subtract gives 42. So it will be 68 and 26. This one does not require any regrouping. Next question. The difference is 280. So we know that 400 can be the answer because if you want to take 400 minus a number to give you 280 from your mental math, you would know that this number is 120. So there's no 120 here. So 400 can be the answer. We know that for the first number, it has to be 476 because you need a bigger number to subtract to get 280. So the first number has to be 476. So what number must it subtract to give you 280? So we can do the reverse. The reverse would be 476 subtract 280, and that will give you the same number. So we're going to do the math over here. So if you subtract, this would be 196. So it is this number here. So it will be 776 minus 196. For question 3, let's look at the ones. So 6 ones minus 4 ones, 2 ones, 3 tens, subtract 2 tens, 1 10. What number, if you take away 7 hundreds, it will give you 9 hundreds. So over here, the number of hundreds is more than 7. So there is regrouping over here. So to regroup, this is going to be a 4. So we can do the reverse. 9 and 7, what does it make? 16. So let's try. 16 hundreds, take away 7 hundreds. Would it give us 9 hundreds? Yes. So that's the answer. Question 4. Same thing, we're going to check the ones. 5 ones, subtract 3 ones, 2 ones. 7 tens, subtract 4 tens, 3 tens. How many tens when you take away 4 hundreds? How many hundreds when you take away 4 hundreds will give us 7 hundreds? Since the number of hundreds is bigger, there is regroup. So we're going to regroup these to 7,000s. So 7, we can do the reverse. 7 and 4, what does it make? It makes 11. So let's try 11. So 11 hundreds, take away 4 hundreds. Are we left with 7 hundreds? Yes. So that's the answer. These two questions are very, very challenging for a lot of students. We are trying to find the missing numbers over here. These two questions require a lot of regroup. An easier method would be to use addition, which is the reverse of subtraction, to find the answer. So let's first look at the ones column. So 4 ones and 5 ones will give us 9 ones. Let's look at the tens column. 9 tens and 9 tens will give us 18 tens. So we have a 1 here. So let's look at the hundreds now. So 100 plus 900 plus 600 will give us 16. And we have a 1 here. So 2000 plus 1000 will give us 3000. So the answer is 6. The missing digit here is 6. So let's use the same method to find question 6. So over here, we have 6 ones and 8 ones. That will give us 14 ones. And let's look at the tens now. 4 tens, 1 tens, 5 tens, 5 tens, and 7 tens will give us 12 tens. So we have another 100 here. So 400 400s plus 100 will give us 500s. 500s and 800s will give us 1300s. So we have another 1000 here. So 3000, 3000s plus 1000 would be 4000s, and we need to add 3 more thousands here to get 7000s. So like I say, question 5 and 6 are very tricky for a lot of students. Let's move on to question 7. So subtract the least 4-digit number from the greatest 4-digit number. So we have to first find the greatest 4-digit number. So the greatest would be 8652. That's the greatest 4-digit number that we can form with the digits over here. Now we have to find the least 4-digit number. So the least 4-digit number would be 2050. Okay, let's erase that. And 56. So you have to subtract and you will find the answer. Next, write a number greater than 5,632 using the digits 0, 1, 4, 7, and then subtract 5,632 from the number. So we have to find a number that is greater than that. So there can be any lots of numbers. So we can write this, and we have to subtract 5,632 from the answer. Question 1. The difference between two numbers is 100. One number is more than 90 but less than 100. The other is between 190 and 200. What are the two possible numbers? So the first number could be 99. The second number could be 199. So when you take the difference, it is 100. So the two numbers are here. For question 2, Lillian went shopping with $1,000. So she saw 5 items on display, and after buying the 2 items, she had 332 left. So what did she buy? So first, find out how much did she spend. So 1,000 subtract 732, she actually spent 268. So the 2 items that she bought would be the necklace and the dress. Question 3. Nick has 215 points and Isaac has 78 points. They combine their points to exchange for 3 prizes. So what are the 2 sets of the 3 prizes that they can get? So first we have to add 215 to 78, and that is 293. So with 293 points, what are the 2 sets that they can get? They can perhaps get a pencil, a notebook, and crayons. That will be less than 293 points. Or they can get a pencil, notebook, and pencil holder.